during the time that I was serving as a youth corper, I found a system that directly pays me from the comfort of my home, just using my smartphone and internet connection. And I was able to generate the sum of 2.1 million naira in doing this business, and I have cashed out a whole lot of money doing this business. And I want to teach as many that want to learn this business model just by using their smartphone and internet connection in making money for themselves this year 2023. So if you are that person that want to make money for yourself, why not click this link below this video and get access to the program today, so that you can start making money for yourself this year 2023. Just yesterday, working 2 hours, I was able to generate 30,000 naira for myself. Click the link right below this video and get started today.